Hi guys, welcome to this episode of Mike's Kitchen, and today we are making some chicken and some Herby mushroom sauce. For this recipe, I'm using regular chicken breast, and as you might notice, I've cut mine in half to make it thinner, and I'm gonna season it with some salt and some pepper, and I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. In a hot pan, I added some cooking oil. Now I was feeling a bit fancy, so I ended up using some olive oil, but you don't have to. You can use any oil you have. And once it's hot, you can introduce your chicken. Let it cook for a few minutes or until it's turned this nice golden brown. Once it's ready, you can remove it from the pan. And on the same pan, I added some butter. Now you might notice I did not clean the pan because there's so much flavor in it. And then I added some onions, which were finely chopped, and some garlic, which was also finely chopped. Now you don't want this to overcook. You just want to mix it well. Then after a few seconds, I added my mushrooms and I cooked them until they were golden brown. Now you'll notice that your mushrooms decrease in size, and this is because they release a lot of liquid, and that's what you want. And for this recipe, I'm using thyme and some parsley, and I mixed it well. Then I added my cream. And if you don't want your sauce to be too thick, you can always add a bit of milk. I seasoned it with salt and pepper. And after a few minutes, I brought back my chicken into the mix and I let it simmer on low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. At which point the food was ready. My chicken was nice and creamy, and the herbs just added so much flavor to it. This would go well with some fries or some rice. Enjoy! See you on the next one.